Here I have iPhone 17 and let me show you how to always shoot in 4K quality. Let's begin. So, in order to set your phone to always shoot video in 4K, you need to do the following steps. Let's choose settings. Here from the list of settings, let's select camera. And here you've got record video settings right here. Let's tap it. And you can change it from 1080p to 4K. You can select the desired FPS. It could be 24, 30 and 60. I think in my case 30 FPS will be enough. So remember, shooting in 4K provides greater detail but also increases file size. So consider when you'll need an extra clarity versus normal size. So you have to be aware of this, but you can select it to have like the best possible quality. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.